In this ukulele video, hold the phones. Don't leave. Look at, you know what this is? Besides one of the coolest, by far the coolest instruments ever on the planet, this is the one and only KoAloha, made by Pops himself. This is a scepter. Wow, goosebumps. This one is called Aragorn. All right. First of all, hi. I'm Terry Carter. Welcome to ukelikethepros. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification. That way you'll stay up to date with all the lessons and reviews that we do right here for ukulele as well as guitar lele, baritone, and we're also diving into the world of guitar as well. And if you're on Instagram, you can find me over there at ukelikethepros. So, the scepter. These things are so hard to find, especially ones like this that are brand new. And thanks to my special relationship I have with the one and only Pops, just what a beautiful, beautiful soul and human being. If you've ever been to KoAloha, you know this. This is one of his master series ukuleles. I'll tell you how I got this one in a second, but it's absolutely phenomenal. Look at, I got goosebumps because this is so cool. This is a backwards KoAloha crown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. This is premium koa wood. This is an absolute masterpiece. These are not easy to make, which is why there's only one person in the entire world. Look at that. One person in the entire world that makes these. Oh man, and that's Pops. That's it. No one else can do this kind of magical work. So before I show you some of the specs, I'm going to bring in the Firemeter. Again, this is just a short video. If you want to see the full video and you're interested in this fantastic instrument, you can only get it at one place. The #1 online store for ukuleles. That's store.ukelikethepros.com. I'll talk more about that, but now it's time for the Firemeter. That was it, one take. That's what you get. It ain't gonna get any better than that right now. This is absolutely such a treat to have one of these. I've been wanting these for a really, really long time. By the way, I'm keeping one of them. I'm keeping one of them. That's how special these are. Before I show you a couple of the specs, just so you know, I'm just gonna go out on a limb. I don't really think there'll ever be any more of these. There may be. Pops is an amazing man. You have no idea what he's gonna do. He might just decide to bust out a few of them one day. But I'm going to go out on a limb and just say this is probably going to be the last few that you ever see that are brand new. All right, couple things real quick, and then we'll get out of here. 7-point crown. Now, it's not your normal 5-point KoAloha, 7-point crown. 1.5 inch width here at the nut, 17-inch tenor scale length. And again, if you want to see more, I have more plain examples of this over at store.ukelikethepros.com, where if you get this instrument through me, you get this ukelikethepros advantage. That's not only you're going to get these instruments that you're not going to find anywhere else. 2, you're going to get the free 3-month premium membership at ukelikethepros.com. That's the #1 on site for Learn Ukulele. And not only do you get all the courses with that, but you get the weekly Q&As that we do, all the live sessions with me and my members that are literally all over the world that join on these weekly calls. So you're not only going to get this great instrument, we're going to help you improve and get better and better at it as well. It doesn't matter what level you're at. You still get the lifetime KoAloha warranty. Lifetime. No one beats that. Anyway, there's some more perks than that, but just those are a couple of the main ones. So anyway, store.ukelikethepros.com. Go check it out. This is the scepter. This one is called Aragorn. If you want, don't wait. It's going to it will literally be gone just like that. So if you want it, you can check it out there. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you next time.